So, welcome back to my channel. So, today I am gonna tell you how to perform this experiment in which we will be doing to determine how uh, to determine the Curie temperature of the given ferrite sample and to study the permeability variation in the vicinity of Curie temperature. So, for that, basically, this is the manual which we will get for this experiment. Uh, so, yeah, this is the manual for it. Moving further, here is the setup for the experiment which we will be going to perform. And as you can see in this experiment, we have to basically trace out the hysteresis graph, hysteresis loop, uh, until and unless the graph becomes flattened and comes under the single line. So for that thing, what we will be going to do that, then this thing is consisting of ferrite samples, and here we will be measuring the temperature. There are two boxes. We have to measure the above one box, which will be consisting of the temperature readings. Moving further, here is the voltmeter, using which we will be calculating the voltage. Here in this machine, we will be getting the hysteresis loop, which we will be making on the trace paper. Uh, so now moving further, we will be making the graph. We will be making the table, basically table, in which one side there will be voltage and other side there will be temperature. We will be taking readings with the gap of 2 to 3 difference in the temperature, and we'll be noting down the voltage. And along with that, in the same time, we will be drawing the hysteresis loop on the trace paper, uh, which will be shown in this machine. But we will be making that hysteresis loop only when there will be small when there will be a significant difference in the loop. Then only we will be drawing the hysteresis loop, which will be somewhat like this in the shape. The loop will be stage loop will be somewhat like this in the shape that will be shown here and will be drawn. Here you can see, here the loop will be shown and will be done until and unless we get the straight line in that loop. We have to do, and nearly we will be starting this experiment about near temperature about 30 to 40 degrees Celsius, I guess, and will stop at 140 degree, because at 140 degree it will give us the straight line in this box shown here. So here is the connections which are already done for the this experiment to perform it. Here is the voltmeter showing voltage here in this place. Here it is the oven, and the reading which will be coming in this box will be noted down only. And this is the oven in which ferrite solution is being kept. And this is the graph which we will be plotting, which will be basically V versus T graph, which will be something like this in shape. It will be something like this. This will be the graph, and as I have already said, the value at 140 degree it will be stopping, as it will give the horizontal graph of the hysteresis loop. Here are the readings, and these arrows shows that at this point of time we have taken up the hysteresis. We have basically traced the hysteresis loop on the trace paper. These are the readings which we have considered, and you can see these readings goes up to 140. As at 140, I have said that it will be giving the plane graph, basically the horizontal graph, and this is the graph which we have plotted using the readings as I have shown here. So yeah, that's the experiment, and let me show you the detailed thing for this experiment. I have done DeepSeek for it. So here is the lab manual showing the all the details, its aim and apparatus required, theory, and all kind of stuff. You can also read this theory from the experiment lab manual also. I am not explaining this theory at this time. This is the process, as I have also told you the process which you have to follow in order to successfully complete this experiment. And yeah, so that's the experiment. Yeah, and do like, subscribe my channel if you like my video, and share the video as much as possible. Thank you. Thank you for watching.